Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SAT Math Question of the Day with Professor Emeritus Seth Chaiken at University of Albany and Brother Joel Chaiken, his brother Joel Chaiken. We're here to hopefully show you how to approach SAT math questions. The idea here is to show you how to approach these things. So pay attention to how we do these things more than what we do. Okay, here we go. Question 3, calculator section. Let's go. A 3-pound pizza is sliced in half, and each half is sliced into thirds. What is the weight in ounces of each of the slices? 1 pound is 16 ounces. This is a fraction problem. And I always like fraction problems to draw a little picture because it really makes sense. Half of it is sliced. It's sliced in half, and each half is sliced into thirds. So this is half. This whole thing is half, but each one is sliced in thirds. So each one is 1/6, right?
Wait, yeah, you forgot to put in these things.
No, we don't care about that one. Because each half is sliced. Okay, right, yeah, fine. Each slice is half, right. Okay, fine. So each slice is cut into thirds.
So you cut the pizza into 6 equal slices.
Right, yeah. So each slice is
you have 6 people. You're going to share pizza among 6 people. Right. You want to be fair. This is the way to do it.
Right. Now,
go to any pizza store, order a small pizza. That's how they cut it.
Right. So the way to do it is really 1/3 of a half. See, it's 1/3 of a half. And when you see the of in fraction problems, you generally multiply. Like
if 1/3 you get 6 pieces, that's 1/6, 1/6 pieces.
Yes, 1/6. Okay, but there's another way. There's a nice way to see it. 1/3 of a half is 1/3 times a half. So each slice is 1/6. Okay, so we need that. We're going to need that.
Yeah, I think approaching SAT questions, if a property is obvious, then leave it as it is.
I don't think it's that obvious.
The 6th.
I don't think it's that obvious.
Once you draw the picture, it's obvious.
Yeah, not to you, but not necessarily.
Don't you listen? This is we're New Yorkers. We buy pizza.
Yeah, but not every
pizza store, a little pizza. You cut it in 6 pieces.
Yeah,
it's 1/6.
That's the whole point. You live in New York. I live in New York, but some people don't live in New York. Some people live somewhere else where they don't have pizza, and some people are international students where they maybe don't have pizza at all. Okay, anyway. So each slice is a 6. Now we have to worry about unit conversion because this is getting confusing. The answer has to be in ounces.
I 3 times 16 divided by 6.
Right. Okay.
And then cancel like crazy.
Right.
2, 8.
So the answer
is the answer.
Right. Exactly. But you have to be cognizant of all these things. It's a 3-pound pizza. That is 16 pounds each, so you're talking about 48 ounces, or 3 times 16. Then you have to divide by 6. That's exactly right. Yeah.
Yeah, so 16 ounces per pound.
Yep.
Is a certain number. 3 times 16 pounds cancel OZ. Now, since you're dividing it, don't waste your time multiplying 3 by 16.
That's right. Very important. Really important. Really important.
Yeah. Don't even think of that. 3. Yeah, just do the math. Do the simplification of a division.
Right.
Of a fraction.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't tell you how many.
But you have to be careful. Canceling the 3, canceling the 3, and the 3 from the 6 gives you a 2.
Right.
And then the separate cancellation in blue, you cancel the 2, you get a 1, divide 16 by 2, and get 8. So you have to just be careful with the order. Make sure that you cancel the common factors. In both the numerator and the denominator. Don't forget, the intermediate results, and that should be on your way.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, when you get to the point of 16 divided by 2, you could just do that directly. You see that that's 8. You don't have to go through any fancy cancellation. Just 16 over 2 is equal to 8.
Yeah.
But what Seth said is...
I don't know. But let's see. I don't know if are some of our audience struggling over what is 16 divided by 2?
Probably not. No, but this
Probably
is a calculated question anyway. Oh, that's right. This is a calculated question. There's a calculated question. So you can just type these things in a calculator. 3 times 16 / 2, and you got the answer.
Yeah, I could do that.
Question.
So someone would do that.
But on the
not as old timers.
But on the non-calculated side, what Seth just said will save you multi-seconds on tests without calculators. When you have questions that you have like things like factors to multiply, numbers to multiply, don't multiply them. Leave them as factors. Leave problems like these as factors. Never say 48 divided by 3. Always say 3 times 16 divided by 6. Always leave everything as factors because you're virtually guaranteed on tests that the tests are purposely going to be set up so the factors can cancel. Some of the factors can cancel and make things simpler.
Of course, in real life, that's not the way it goes.
Yeah, but in real life, you have a calculator.
Yeah.
In real life, you always have a calculator handy. So, especially now that everyone has cell phones. Everyone has a calculator right in their pocket, so they're wherever they are. So, okay.
Yeah.
Good. So, I hope we didn't go too fast on the thing that Seth did, where he did the 3 times 16 thing, but it should just go through it and you'll see that that's what it is. You have to figure out how many total ounces you have, and you have to split the total number of ounces by 6.
Well, just to remind people before, that we got the answer by taking 3, multiplying it by 16, and dividing it by 6.
Yeah, because you have 3 times 16 total ounces.
That's why.
You want 1/6 of that.
And we have the 3 because it's the number of pounds of the pizza. 16, since 3 is the number of pounds.
Right.
16 because each pound is 16 ounces. And we want our answer in terms of ounces. And 6.
Yeah.
Because we're dividing the thing into 6 equal parts.
I was just thinking how they could have made this question really tricky. You know what they could have done, and this is sort of like I was hesitating if you go back to the video. Wouldn't this have been a bad question? 3-pound pizza sliced in half, and each half sliced into thirds. What is the weight in ounces of half the pizza?
Oh.
That would not be good,
It's irrelevant, how it's sliced is irrelevant.
Yeah. Oh, no, the whole weight of half the pizza in ounces would be, in half the pizza would be, half of 48 would be 20.
Yeah, it'd be half of 3 times 16.
Yeah, that would be nasty.
You hit 3 times 8.
They don't usually do that.
Wow.
They don't usually do that.
Yeah, but yeah.
That would have been nasty. Okay, everyone. Well, I guess that's it, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Have a great day. Please like us, dislike us, give us comments, and send us your SAT math questions at satmathquestionoftheday@gmail.com. Great. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Hey.
Bye-bye.